Rochelle Plumstead here, eXp Realty. Thanks for joining me for this week's Movin Up Minute. I was out showing houses a couple of weeks ago to some lovely people. Hi, Steve. Hi, Eileen. And she mentioned to me that she was thinking about going to an open house on Sunday, but she wasn't sure whether she should go or not. She knew it wasn't going to be the right home for them, but she still wanted to take a look at the style of the house, the area, that sort of thing. And her words were, I don't want to feel like I'm leading anybody on because I know this isn't going to be the house for me. My advice, if you want to go to an open house, go to an open house. We're there anyway. We're there from more often than not 2 to 4, or it could be an evening of 4 to 6, whatever. We're there. The house is open. If you want to come and take a look, come and take a look. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're interested in buying it. The reality is, I don't know who you know. Maybe you end up going to lunch with somebody and they say, I was kind of thinking about that house at, XYZ Street. And you say, I went to an open house. I think that would be perfect for you. So there's no reason not to go to the open house. Let me tell you, when you're doing an open house and nobody shows up, it's boring. I don't know about everybody else, any other realtors. I'm sure we're all pretty much the same. You sit down, you stand up, you walk around, you do the loop, you look out the window, you hope somebody shows up. You really want someone to talk to, just to even have a conversation. So really, go to the open houses. We're there anyways, and it's nice to have conversations with friendly people. So there's my advice, because we're seeing lots more open houses popping up now as our market continues to shift a little bit, and we're just kind of doing our very best to represent our sellers and make sure that we get the word out there about their property. Wishing you guys a fantastic weekend. Happy St. Paddy's Day on Monday. We will see y'all next week. If you're moving up, moving over, moving out, you got questions, I've got answers. Bye for now.